Presented by Synchrony. Changing what's possible.
It is time. It's time for the light round. Of course, one of the team is succeeded by and then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Dad? It's time for the lightning round. I'm going to start with Felice. Felice.
Yes. Mr. Cramer, 2 questions. When do you ever sleep? So that's my first question, because I see you at 9 o'clock in the morning, and then I see you at 6 o'clock in the evening. So I'm just wondering if you ever sleep. Anyway, my second question is concerning GE. I know that.
I like GE. I think I get a cat nap every now and then when they bring the mattress on the floor of the stock exchange. General Electric, my Chapel Trust bought it. We did a big takeout on it when we did our club call 11:30. I urge you to join the club and find out. I think it's the best way to play the return of the max, which is going to happen soon. I may go to bed tonight. I may not. Keith in Florida. Keith.
Jimmy Chill.
Yo.
Double booyah, my man.
There you go. You got the moniker correct. Let's go to work.
Professor, what do you hear? What do you say concerning Abiomed?
I don't know. It was on fire, and then it just kind of collapsed, and that's why I'm sending people to Edwards Life Sciences. That's what you go to. Edwards. How about we go to Joe in Indiana? Joe.
Booyah, Jim. Love your show, man. Thanks for what you do.
Oh, you're quite welcome.
Yeah, I got a quick 15-second equation for you to help me solve.
Okay.
When you add up the fact that TV stations charge more for political ads, plus Mike Bloomberg says he'll spend $1 billion or more perhaps for himself and Democrats on TV buys, and that Gray Television, ticker GTN, has tons of stations in Super Tuesday and Battleground states, do you think that equals opportunity?
I think that's one. You'll get that opportunity, and it'll come and go on. You're talking about a trade. And if you want to do that trade, that's fine. But remember, with the trade comes the buy and the sell. Stephen in Illinois. Stephen.
Yeah, Jim. Next respect in the Windy City.
Oh, fantastic. What's up?
What's up? I was calling about CenturyLink. I purchased it about a year ago as a dividend play. Now, the company has some really good news lately. They've restructured some debt, and they've gotten some big government contracts. That's stopping this company from being a $25 to $30 stock.
Which one is it?
CenturyLink.
Oh, I think what stops is that ultimately that growth is going to peak out again, and you have to start assisting all over because it is still a no-growth stock. I actually don't want you in it. I think you should sell the stock. Let's go to Rush in California. Rush.
Booyah!
Booyah!
Hey, Jim, I've been watching your show since 2005, and I wanted to say I would do anything to get my hands on that squishy bull you have in there.
We're going to send you one. We're going to send you one.
Good, I want one. Anyways, what are your thoughts on Vivint Smart Home, VVNT?
It had a big pop. It's a big speculative stock. I'd rather buy Tesla on the way down because they have battery power. They've got a good thing going. That's the way I would do it. And those who don't like Tesla because the stock broke, I urge you to think, well, why did you own it to begin with? Was it really just because of the chart? How about we go to Paris in Massachusetts, which I didn't know was in Massachusetts. Paris.
Booyah to you, Jim.
Booyah.
Thank you for taking my call. I'm a first-time caller, but a long-time listener. I'm really interested in 5G, and I'm calling about Akoustis, ticker symbol AKTS.
Well, you stumped me on that. The old Akoustis, huh? I don't know. It sounds like an illness. I'm going to study Akoustis and get back to you. Thank you for the call. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.